find this rule page in this. We will find this rule page in this game.
And we will find these two legs. And we will find this board. And we will find these 21 red coins and 21 yellow coins. Let me join this game. We have to put this here. 11, 12, 13, 14. This is a slide bar. Me and my mommy is going to play this game. I'm taking red because I like red color, and my mommy is taking yellow color. The younger one will start the game. So let me start this game.
Yatka, it's now your turn. So you put your disc. You can take. So Yatka put a red colored disc. So I am putting yellow. So one by one we will take a chance. Yatka is winner of this game because she got red color diagonally 4. So let me disconnect this game like this. And in the same way, if the one color get horizontal or the vertical 4 times, so he or she will be the winner of this game. So if someone get 4 like this or 4 like this, so he or she will be the winner of this game. So I hope you like this game. This is a very good game. You can play this game with your kids, and it's a very good game. You can play with your kids. Let's continue the another game. So game is, I put this paper on her back and I will draw some drawing on her back, and she will feel that what I am drawing on her back. Then she will draw on her paper. So yeah. You have to give pause. This game is also good for observation. So I draw this flower like this, and she also draw this flower like this. So in this way you can play this game to keep your kids busy. So let further continue the third game. So this is the third game, and this is a card game, and the game name is Let's Go Fishing. You can find this game by this name, and this is very good game to know the number. Like in this card there is a 8 number. So this is good game if you want to teach the kids numbers. So this is very good game to teach number to your kids. So let me tell you how to play this game. 4 people can play this game at a time, and you will also find one rule card in this game. So first thing, we have to divide the card between 2 people, because me and Yatka is playing. If 4 people are playing, then you have to divide between among 4 people. So now I'm dividing. These cards between me and Yatika.
And we will get.
Now I'm dividing card one by one. So while dividing the card will upside down like this.
Could I divide, mommy?
Sure. Now divide. Start with me.
Now these are my card, and we have put like this, and we have to put them back. So now me and my mommy is going to start the game. I am the youngest, so the youngest will start the game.
So Yatka, you start start this game. You have to put the card like this. So this is 5 digit and there are 5 fish also. The number is 5, so fishes are also 5. So I also got the 5 number. So this is now my card. Now again because I win the game last time, so I start game with 1 digit, then Yatka put 7 digit, then again I put 7 digit. So these 3 cards are mine. Now again I will start this game.
My all the card. My mommy is having 5 extra card. My mommy is the winner in the game.
So I think rather playing the normal cards with kids, better to play these cards. Let's go fishing. So kids digits or number will improve and they will also enjoy a lot in this game. Let's further. So friends, this is the 4th game. This is called Mega Blocks. You can also say it building blocks. In this game you will find 80 pieces of different color of blocks. In this game kid will learn the colors and as well as he build different type of shapes like car, anything like this. So now Yatka and Bhav will create anything. So